Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on what to look for or where to look for bad secondary rollers in the Can Am, as I like to call it, two roller secondary clutch. Okay, so I've been getting a couple of emails lately, and sometimes it's a little hard to describe where to look. We do have a video on how to change these, and I didn't cover on what to look for necessarily there. So when your secondary is on your vehicle and you're looking at it, there are 4 slots in this helix, and there's an angled slot. And I'll try to get Hunter to zoom in right in here. So if you'll look at an angle right down in here, you're supposed to have a plastic roller there. 1, do I have a roller at all? 2, is it damaged? If you have no roller at all on either one or both and have a metal pin, chances are you damage this helix. So we have helixes for the Defenders. I'm not sure what other models it covers on the website, but we have replacement helixes for them and rollers. This microphone is sitting on our spring compressor rod, but you're going to need a spring compressor tool as well to change this out. So we'll in-card video here, we'll shoot it over to the how to replace them video so you know how to replace them. But just a short, one more time, sitting on a vehicle, 4 slots, find the angle and look straight down in it, and I can see that this one has a Hunterworks roller in it right now, and it's good to go. So hopefully that makes it clear as mud, as I like to say. If you got any questions, todd@hunterworks.com. Make sure you subscribe, like, so you can keep up with any troubleshooting videos or any new product videos, and also check out our other YouTube channel, Hunterworks Outdoors. Appreciate you guys.